Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's text, Belfast and the Northern Coast at page 66 in your English book. Now, let's look at vocabulary first. You have northern. You probably realize that there's north in it, and you already know north and south, so northern is quite easy. Then we have a word like coffee. Coffee is also easy. You probably know that anyway, but in German it's almost the same, so coffee doesn't need to be discussed. Then we have a word like column. The word is in line 16. Now, for example, if you think of a temple, you probably know what a temple is, or you can guess it. Now, a temple is built on, let's say, 4 columns, for example. So you can imagine the things that support the temple. Then the columns rise up. The columns go up to, let's say, 4 meters, 30 meters, or nearly 20 meters. Nearly is like almost, or close to, but not as high as that. Then they are like steps that form a white stone. You can form something, you can shape something, you can almost like create something. Then somebody who's very proud. Now imagine you've got a 1 in a test. Then you are really proud. Then you are happy. You probably show off. You tell everybody. Then you could say that the test was a challenge. You know this from the big challenge, maybe from the last 2 years. But the challenge is in German, eine Herausforderung. Then you have to fight fiercely. Now, to fight fiercely is like, well, to fight really hard, to put all that you have into something. So to fight fiercely is ja, richtig stark etwas kämpfen. Then you have something that is left. Now imagine you have a cake and it has like, I don't know, maybe 10 pieces, and there are 2 left. So 2 of the pieces are still there. They are left. Then we have adverts. Now usually you're surrounded by adverts. If you go on the internet, if you see something in real life, advert means that somebody is telling you, oh, buy this, buy that, look at this, look at that. So it's Werbung in German. Right, so these are mainly the words of that text. There are some more words that you might not understand. Don't worry about these. They are explained in another video about grammar, about the different modal auxiliaries is the name, so about can and could, shall and should, may and might, must and mustn't, need and needn't, and things like that. So just watch the next video about the grammar file. So grammar file 6 at pages 165 to 166 or 165 to 166. Now you may listen to the text that is on your audio file that you already have, and then you may do the exercises indicated. So pages 66, 2 and 3. If you just answer the question, what is the Giant's Causeway, and how did it come up? So if you want to make a break now, do that, and I will tell you in a second what the Giant's Causeway is. So take a break now, stop the video, and once you listen to everything, you can watch on, okay? So a little break now. Right, so welcome back after the break. Now, the Giant's Causeway is essentially a path or a way that was created by 2 giants, or let's say at least 1 giant. The giant is called Finn McCool, and this Finn McCool, he made stone columns, and in these stone columns, well, he created a way to actually cross the sea. And those stone columns are 30 meters high. So that's it for today. Watch the next video about modal auxiliaries and their substitutes.